So in my video that I recorded yesterday, this is what I'm talking about. The pavilion's over there, and they are singing as loud as they can. They're happy. Good morning. It's travel day. Yay. I don't know. It's getting harder and harder to stay put for 12 to 14 days. I was only here 12. And my next little jaunt is I'm staying only 2 days. And then the next location I go, I'll be there 14 days. So, or that is the reservation. We'll see. Because, yeah, I'm getting antsy just staying put. And some of these state parks are quite a ways from town, so it's like, it's just not easy to go into town and spend 10 or an hour or so in town when it takes you an hour to drive to town. So, anyway, I might get some more fishing in coming up, so that'll be good. So I don't have to feel like I need to go find something to do. Anyway, breakfast this morning is one of my, this is why I did this. I think I've already eaten the other 3 though. So, but anyway, I like to do this on travel day. Throw something in the microwave for the road. And I have about 15 minutes or so on this little road to get out of the park to get onto the interstate. So today is Sunday, and I bet all these people are leaving today. Most of these people. Those people. Yeah. So I put this in the microwave. It is a cheese. This looks like jalapeno pepper. Not jalapeno, is it? What is that? The pepper cheese? Pepper jack? Pepper jack cheese. And sausage and a bagel. This is not a bagel. This is an English muffin. I microwaved it a little long. So that bagel. Bagel? Not a bagel. That English muffin. Well, I hit the speed bump yesterday. Going way too fast. I forgot it was there. That English muffin was chewy. Too long in the microwave. Let's get on the road. Got about a 2-hour drive. Got a Walmart pickup at 11. It's 7:54 right now, so I only have a 2-hour drive. I'll get there early, which is okay. Better be early than late. Right, Sammy? Right? Oh, I need to put your, oh, baby kitty in the road. Sad. Need to put her life jacket on. It's okay, baby. All right, let's hit it. Well, I just picked up my Walmart order. That was pretty fast. And
continue for 12 miles.
Continue for 12 miles. Now I'm headed to camp. Panda Express. Oh, my panda. My panda. No Panda Express for you. Nope. Because I have shepherd's pie left over. That's what I'm eating for lunch today. Alright, headed to the park. Shows 31 miles, but it's going to take an hour. Windy roads. So, I am headed that way. But first, I need to get gas. I need to get diesel before I head. Because I will not be coming back into this town. I will leave 2 days from now and head in the opposite direction. So I will not be coming back to town, so I gotta fill up now. Huh, Sammy? Let's do that. You want to? Yeah, we're about there. And then we'll go for a little don't say it. Don't say it. Alright, what did I pay here anyway? $3.13. $64.27. I've never seen this happen. This is at Navajo Lake State Park and sitting in line to go into the park. Of course, today is part of the free shipping. You get free shipping when you come here. Free fishing. There's the marina. Yeah, this is weird. Having to sit in line to get into the park. Well, I like trees, but these trees are blocking the lake. Oh my. And they tell you be aware of snakes, but then they don't weed eat this stuff down. There would be my electrical. I had to make sure there was no snakes in there before I plugged in. There's my water. I don't know if this is my picnic table or this is my picnic table. I can't really decide. I can't figure it out. I don't know. There is from this place a path to the trail. Well, I don't know if that's a trail. Looks like it just goes to those picnic tables and to that camp. Who knows? Who knows?